Vice President Maria Leonor Robredo. Giving you, hindi ako kasali sa speech, about the rationale of the award. I have felt a long time ago na ang karamihan kasi ng mga heroes natin, puro taga Luzon. We had the Gohoy and I forgot the other one. Pati si Lapu-Lapu, who was the first Filipino to kill the invaders, si Magellan. And all these years, ang commission, not the present one, Mr. Badoy, wala lamang na-recognize na Muslim na hero. And to think that Lapu-Lapu, in all probability, was really a Muslim. He resisted imperialism because may poste sila eh. They had a post, they had a rallying point. And even in Mindanao until today, nandyan yung poste, ang Islam. So, nung bakbakan sa Mactan, siyempre, mas matapang talaga yung native na, I don't know how we were called at the time, but we were all Malays. Tinaga talaga niya si Lapu-Lapu and the Gohoy. Pero wala sa role of ating heroes. I don't know who was the office responsible for this fiasco. But instead of giving him an honor, a place under the sun, ang pangalan tuloy ng Lapu-Lapu, ginawa nilang isda. Kasi ko kalog man pala ito mga taga. Kaming mga Bisaya have kept our silence long enough. Kasi wala pa rin akong magagawa. I urge just everybody to take into account the exploits of Lapu-Lapu. So when I became president, I made a promise that I will recognize the very first, I don't know what was our name before because Philippines is from King Philip, but he resisted imperialism. And of course, maybe when they were overwhelmed by the Spaniards, he died. But hindi siya hero. Ngayon, gumawa ako ng executive order or city proclamation, I do not know. But raising to the level and dignity of a national hero, Lapu-Lapu. Kaya, pasalamat ako sa commission for agreeing with me. Kasi pag hindi, wala kayong budget next year. Purposely omitted. You can exist there, but no budget, no operational something. So every Filipino who has really done something for a country must be recognized, living or dead. Ako naiinggit ako sa kanila. Of course, everybody will die. Wala mang question yan. But they went out of this planet blazing and leaving a legacy of the term bravery.